In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scheduled automations in Trello Butler. Trello is an amazing tool for managing tasks, projects, and workflows, but did you know you can make it even more powerful by automating repetitive actions? With Trello Butler, you can create scheduled automations to handle tasks like moving cards, assigning team members, or adding due dates, all without lifting a finger. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can save time and focus on what truly matters. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. You'll be taken to the login page where you can either enter your email address and password or select a login provider like Google or Microsoft. If you're using one of these providers, follow the prompts to complete your sign-in process. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Now that you're in Trello, it's time to choose the board you want to automate. From your dashboard, locate the board that you want to work on and click to open it. Before moving forward, make sure you have the right permissions for this board. You'll need to be either the board admin or a member with edit access in order to create automations. Next, look at the top right corner of your board. You'll see 3 dots. Click on those to open the board menu. From the options that appear, select Automation. If you're familiar with Trello's older interface, you might know this section as Butler, but it's now simply called Automation. Once you're in the Automation area, navigate to the section labeled Scheduled. This is where we'll create our automation. Go ahead and click on Create Automation to get started. The first thing you'll need to do is define the trigger for your automation. A trigger is what determines when the automation will run. For scheduled automations, you can choose options like daily, weekly, or even a specific date. Think about the timing that works best for your workflow and select the appropriate schedule. Next, set the time for your trigger. Be sure to double-check that the time aligns with your time zone to avoid any confusion. This step is crucial to ensure your automation runs exactly when you need it to. Now it's time to decide what actions Trello should perform when the automation is triggered. Actions could include moving cards to a different list, adding due dates to cards, assigning members to tasks, archiving completed cards, or even posting comments. Take a moment to think about the specific tasks you want Trello to handle automatically and configure the actions accordingly. Once you've set up your actions, give your automation a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify its purpose later on, especially if you create multiple automations for the same board. When everything is set up, click the Save button to finalize your automation. Congratulations, you've just created a scheduled automation in Trello Butler. To make sure everything is working as expected, monitor your board when the scheduled time arrives. Check that the automation runs correctly and performs the actions you defined. If something doesn't work as planned, don't worry. Simply revisit the automation area, locate your automation, and adjust the settings as needed. And that's it. You now know how to create scheduled automations in Trello Butler, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.